Birla Public School Ganganagar organized a special assembly by Class 12 on theme Beyond the Syllabus Preparing for Life. Today's assembly beautifully highlighted that true learning goes beyond classroom. It lies in our action, decision and the way we face situations. The program began with a warm welcome of our respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, HM ma'am and our dear parents, followed by traditional lamp lighting ceremony symbolizing the removal of darkness and the beginning of knowledge. The melodious welcome song filled the environment with positivity and grace. Students then shared meaningful thoughts of the day in Hindi and English. The speech and the presentation emphasized the importance of life skills such as communication, confidence, emotional strength and problem solving.
In today's fast-changing world, we also should learn also new skills like critical thinking, adaptability and creativity, these are not always tested in exams but are essential for success in real life.
Through engaging performances like dance, poem and stories, students expressed how learning from experience, failures and real life situations shapes our personality more than textbook ever can.
Marks and exams are a part, it's true, but life has lessons completely new. Syllabus teaches us what's written and known, but life teaches us strength we build on our own.
The game conducted for parents added joy and strengthened the bond between school and family. The biography presentation inspired everyone by showcasing how great personality achieves success through determination, values, and continuous learning beyond academic. Our respected principal sir shared the word of wisdom, encouraging students to focus not only studies but also on becoming responsible, confident, and compassionate individual.
Make sure that the timetable what you have in your day, that need not to be given a lot of stress. Stress in the sense means if you are giving 3 hours of your studies, that is more than enough to make out or to succeed anything what you are targeting for.
A word of thanks followed by national anthem, leaving everyone inspired and motivated. Birla Public School Ganganagar a step ahead.